What? There's music.
There's that jam.
Hey, it's another day, another Your Daily Scrum. I'm professional Scrum trainer Ryan Ripley. This awesome individual next to me over there somewhere is professional Scrum trainer Todd Miller. Todd, how you doing today, buddy?
Doing great. I love this. I love what we're about to get into. I find it.
I
amazing.
love the fact that someone asked us a question like this. This just, when I saw this come through, we've modified it a little bit to kind of wind it back into our topic here. But I love that this. Listeners, watchers, viewers, you're all awesome. Which Marvel superhero would be the best Scrum Master? Best question ever. Right? What a great question.
Great question.
Todd, what do you think?
So you mentioned this earlier today when you saw the comment, and I thought about it long and hard. My first inclination was to say Thor, because let's be honest, Thor's awesome.
The hammer's pretty sweet, right?
The hammer's pretty sweet. He's super powerful. Nobody could really beat Thor. But I chose something a little different. Rather than a superhero, I was thinking, why not Nick Fury? Does that surprise you?
Tell me more.
I've been waiting all day to have this conversation.
All right, let's
think of Nick Fury. Nick Fury found the Avengers, right?
He did.
And rather than going from superhero to superhero, like Hawk to Thor to whatever, to coerce him and say, you have to do this, he had people that believe so much in the Avengers, like Black Widow, to go and speak with the Hawk and say, you know, we're doing things for the greater good, that we have this thing that we're forming called the Avengers. Will you do it with us, right? He was really influential and kept the Avengers together, all these crazy superheroes with all these distinctive powers, but he did so indirectly, right? And also, I would say he's great servant leadership abilities. I know we'd say Scrum 2020 true leader, but now that I'm talking out loud, I'm believing what I'm saying even more. That I would say Nick Fury, although not a superhero, and obviously hates cats because of the scratch in his eye, which I do too.
Spoilers.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's true. Darn it. We'll have to put that in the comment. But yeah, that's what do you think of that? Is that
Todd, you're going Nick Fury. I think it's a good poll. I think Nick Fury.
Okay.
I think he was the glue that kept a lot of the Avengers together. He united them. He had like Agent Coulson who believed in this so much, helping. I like it. I like the answer. I went more. So of course, no one's going to be surprised where Ryan just went for the blunt object, and I picked Hulk. I think Hulk smash right through those impediments and get things done, right? I mean, the Hulk is like, oh, that's in the way. Boom, it's not in the way. And he gets a little mad, and then he gets things done. So I'm a big Hulk as a Scrum Master fan. I'm not as sophisticated. He's not as sophisticated as Nick Fury, but you got to admit the Hulk gets results.
Yeah. So what you're saying is if you were like found in the middle of the woods with wearing purple jean shorts, that people should look out.
It probably means I helped the Scrum team get a lot of stuff done.
I like that. That's a great answer. Like the Hulk smash, right? Hulk smashing organizational impediments.
You know, I could be talked into some others. Like I kind of like the idea of Captain America only because so my favorite Marvel movie is Captain America and the Winter Soldier.
That's a great movie.
And when he wouldn't sign the accords and he wouldn't give up his friend, I felt like he wasn't giving up the product owner. He's like, nope, you're with me, man. We're gonna now. Of course, you know, Bucky did some weird stuff, and he got pardoned. Everything worked out, but I think Captain America would be my backup pick. But I'm gonna go Hulk smash because first and foremost, man, we gotta bash through those impediments.
I think Hulk smash is really good. I think you could really argue the case for any of them. We could argue the case for Captain Marvel. Black Widow does some really great things.
Yep.
You could really argue the case for any of them, but I think that you and I will stand strong. You can Hawk smash them while I will Nick Fury it.
There you go.
Fury's a cool last name.
Leave a comment below. Let us know which Marvel. I mean, don't you dare put a DC superhero in there. Which Marvels, you can put DC if you want. I want to hear how Wolverine is a good Scrum Master, right?
Yeah. But we need to hear how they're a good Scrum Master.
Yeah, we need the how. So leave us
Yeah.
a comment. Maybe we'll read a few of the best ones on air coming up. I think we're going to start reading some comments too. We're getting some really cool interactions and people are helping each other out. And we're seeing some really neat things. So maybe we'll read the best ones, right? If you leave us a superhero comment, we'll get them out on a future episode. Mm-hmm. But Todd, I think that's going to be it for today. Be sure to check out the socials. Yep. Hulk smash that like and subscribe. Be like Nick Fury. Do your research. Check out the videos below that we're posting. And you know what? I think that's it for today. I'm professional Scrum trainer Ryan Ripley. With me, as always, is PST Todd Miller. Thanks for being here. Thanks for listening. Thanks for sharing. And we will see you tomorrow.